Welcome back to Edulap. In today's video, we're going to learn a vital Excel skill, how to restrict data entry using the data validation option. This ensures your spreadsheets remain accurate and error-free. As you can see, we have a simple table with employee names, age, and salary. We want to make sure that anyone entering data follows specific rules for the age and salary columns. First, let's set up an information prompt. Highlight the cells in the age column. Go to the Data tab in the top ribbon and click on Data Validation. In the dialog box, switch to the Input Message tab. For the title, let's type Age in the Input Message box. We'll write Valid Age 18 to 60 years. This acts as a helpful hint for the user. Click OK. Now, whenever you click on an age cell, that helpful tooltip pops up instantly. Now, let's actually restrict the data. Reopen Data Validation and go to the Settings tab. Under Allow, select Whole Number. We'll set the minimum to 18 and the maximum to 60. Time to test it out. If I enter 18 in the age column, it works. But if I try to enter 17 atai, Excel blocks it with an error message. It simply won't allow invalid data. Let's do the same for the salary column. Highlight the cells. Go to Data Validation, and this time select Decimal, since salaries can include cents. We'll set the range between 2,500 and 10,000. The same applies to salary. Entering a cell on 2,500 tales is fine. And even quote 2,500.5 quote works because we chose the decimal option. However, if I try to enter a value outside our range, like 1,000 or 11,000, and Excel stops me immediately. And that's it. Your data is now protected from typos and incorrect entries. If you found this Edulap tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.